Hi guys, welcome back to Baby Zone. I hope you're all doing amazingly well. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ दो इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक शेयर करना चाह रही थी. फर्स्ट कि वी आर इन चंडीगढ़ एंड ऑलमोस्ट सारे स्कूल्स चंडीगढ़ के खुल चुके हैं या खुलने वाले हैं एंड बेसिकली चंडीगढ़ एंड मोहाली. सो वी आर लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स एडमिशंस फॉर वारिया. Most of you must be knowing Varya almost 3 years की होने वाली है. She will turn 3 years in January. So the first thing is as a general life update कि हम वारिया की स्कूल एडमिशंस के लिए अभी फिलहाल स्कूल सर्च कर रहे हैं एंड आई प्लान टू स्टार्ट सेंडिंग हर आफ्टर दिवाली. सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. एंड सेकेंडली सिंस अब वो स्कूल जाने लगेगी, एक बहुत ही कॉमन सा टॉपिक है जो मुझे स्कूल्स के सारे टीचर्स पूछ रहे हैं जब हम स्कूल्स पता करने जा रहे हैं, या मेरे फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव्स पूछ रहे हैं जिनके छोटे बेबीज हैं कि इस वारिया टॉयलेट ट्रेन्ड, क्या वारिया की टॉयलेट ट्रेनिंग पूरी हो गई है, क्या मैं वारिया को स्कूल डायपर्स पहना के भेजूंगी या क्या वो पी करने से पहले अब बताने लगी है. सो बेसिकली दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमनली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन कि वारिया टॉयलेट ट्रेन्ड है या नहीं. सो इस वीडियो में स्पेसिफिकली मैं वारिया की टॉयलेट ट्रेनिंग की स्टेज अभी डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ. इज शी टॉयलेट ट्रेन, हमने क्या क्या एफर्ट्स किए उसको टॉयलेट ट्रेन करने के लिए, अभी हम किस स्टेज पर हैं, क्या क्या स्ट्रगल्स फेस करने पड़े, कितनी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस में मैं थी इस टॉपिक को लेकर, एंड अभी हमारी डायपर यूजेज कौन सी है, कितनी है, हम कौन से डायपर्स यूज करते हैं, कितनी बार वारिया अभी डायपर्स पहन रही है. सो ऑल दोज टॉपिक्स रिलेटेड टू हर टॉयलेट ट्रेनिंग स्टेज राइट नाउ, that is what I'm going to discuss in the video today. Before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you like our videos, please do share it with your friends and relatives as well. You can also follow us on Instagram. Our ID is BabyZone. And if you saw my previous video, you also know that I have a small business by the name of the Macrame Zone. You can also follow that on Instagram, and please do share your love with us. Without further delay, let's begin the video.
Welcome to Baby Zone.
So I want to keep this video very generic. एक पेरेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से क्या क्या स्ट्रेस होता है, क्या क्या स्ट्रगल्स होती हैं, क्या क्या चीज़ें हम ट्राई करते हैं फॉर टॉयलेट ट्रेनिंग आवर किड्स, स्पेशली आवर टॉडलर्स, नाउ दैट दे आर एट एन एज जब वो स्कूल जाने के लिए रेडी हैं, वो सब मैं इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करना चाहती हूँ बहुत ही जेनरिक पेरेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. सो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद हर एज, अभी वारिया 2.9 ईयर्स की है एग्जैक्टली. शी इज गोइंग टू टर्न 3 ईयर्स इन जनवरी. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे माइलस्टोन्स रहे हैं अभी तक हमारे साथ जो वारिया ने थोड़े लेट किए हैं, एंड जस्ट बिकॉज वी एज पेरेंट्स हमें बहुत आदत होती है टू कंपेयर विद द अदर किड्स कि ये तो चलने लगा है, हमारा बेबी तो अभी नहीं चल रहा, ये तो बोलने लगा है, हमारा बेबी तो नहीं बोल रहा, इसके टीथ आ गए हैं, ये खाना प्रॉपरली खा रहा है. हमारी आदत होती है, वी हैव टू कंपेयर ऑल द माइलस्टोन्स ऑफ आवर किड्स. इवन दो वो हमें स्ट्रेस में डालता है, बेबीज को स्ट्रेस में डालता है, और हमें सबको पता है कि बेबीज अपने टाइम पे जब जैसे जो करते हैं वो कर लेते हैं, बट स्टिल वी टेक अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वारिया डिडंट स्टार्ट वॉकिंग टिल द एज ऑफ 16 months, और मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स के बच्चे थे जिन्होंने 12 months में वॉक करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था. सो उन 4 महीनों के लिए 13, 14, 15 and 16 months of Varya, I was under so much stress. I literally went to her pediatrician twice कि ये चलना स्टार्ट क्यों नहीं कर रही है, एंड यू नो ऑल द अदर किड्स हैव स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग, बट इवेंचुअली शी स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग व्हेन शी टर्न्ड 16 months old, and she is perfectly walking and running around now. Now it's been very long, but all that I wanted to say is that we take a lot of stress, especially when we expect कि बच्चा एक पर्टिकुलर एज तक एक माइलस्टोन अचीव कर ले, और जब वो नहीं करता है या जब वो अपने टाइम से थोड़ा डिलेड चल रहा होता है, so we start taking a lot of stress, even though we should realize that it's very natural. Same way वारिया की टॉयलेट ट्रेनिंग के केस में भी आई वॉज अंडर अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस, स्पेशली यू नो योर रिलेटिव्स, द एल्डरली पीपल, दे स्टार्ट गिविंग यू अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर कि तुम्हें तो हमने 8 months में टॉयलेट ट्रेन कर दिया था, तुम तो 1 साल से पहले टॉयलेट ट्रेन थे, तुम्हारा बच्चा अभी तक डायपर क्यों पहन रहा है. सो दिस वॉज गिविंग मी अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस. अ लॉट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स किड्स वर ऑलरेडी टॉयलेट ट्रेन्ड, and a lot of them were already telling when they wanted to pee, when they wanted to poop. And Varya had already turned 2 years old and she was still not telling me. So this was giving me a lot of stress. As a mother, I was researching a lot of videos, a lot of written content, a lot of information. I even asked her pediatrician, I asked my friends कि उसको टॉयलेट ट्रेन कैसे करना है, क्या क्या डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स हैं. You know, I got her 2 different types of toilet seats जो बेबीज के लिए आती हैं. I tried making her sit there. I tried reading stories to her, poems सुनाना, ऐसी poems दिखाना TV पे जहाँ पे बच्चों को टॉयलेट ट्रेन किया जा रहा है, so that she gets motivated to do it. But nothing was working. Even though I was making her sit on the seat every 1 hour, she would not really realize how to control her muscles. वो पी नहीं करती थी टॉयलेट सीट पर, and I used to get so worried. So eventually, it suddenly miraculously happened one day. We had a cousin at home. उनकी बेटी was the same age as Varya's. And तब तक मैं सब कुछ try कर चुकी थी, and she was either not telling me, or even when she started telling me that she wanted to pee, she used to go in the washroom and stand and pee. She never used to sit and pee. So even though it was summers, I used to watch her after that, but I really wanted her to learn to sit and pee. Now that I understood that she knows when she wants to pee, it's just that she's not sitting and doing it. So one day it miraculously happened. We had a cousin at home. Unki beti is almost the same age as Varya. She went to the washroom to pee, and Varya ran behind her, and she saw her sitting and peeing, and she told her mother कि चाची मुझे भी करवा दो. And my cousin made her sit on the seat of the adults, not even the baby toilet seat, and Varya did it. And it was like magically she started doing it after that. She used to come and tell me कि mama I want to pee, and I used to make her sit on the adults wali toilet seat, and now it's been more than 6 months and she is doing it. And I feel so relaxed now, and I've learned my lesson कि बच्चों के milestones किसी से compare करने का या उनको force करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. As a parent, obviously we need to do what we need to do for facilitating that milestone. जब भी जिस भी milestone का phase आ जाए, हमारा फर्ज है as parents कि हम अपने बच्चों को guide करें, help करें, but उनको force करना या stress लेने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. They will do it when the right time comes, and it will be very easy. You will not even realize when it happened. So first tip, stop taking stress. Stop comparing your kids' milestones to others, and just don't be so hard on yourself and your kids. अभी current situation की बात करूँ तो Varya is majorly toilet trained. She mostly tells me when she wants to pee. बहुत ही कम 1-2 exceptions हैं जब वो नहीं बताती. But otherwise she is only wearing diapers when she sleeps in the afternoon and when she sleeps in the night. So रात को obviously अभी she is not trained enough कि वो नींद में उठ के मुझे बताएगी. We will work on that too very soon. But अभी की situation में we use a good diaper that lasts through the night. So रात को she is wearing diapers completely, and दोपहर को I am gradually trying to get her off the diapers. But there have been incidents when she pees when she's sleeping in the afternoon, and then she wakes up and starts crying, and I don't want her sleep to get disturbed. So धीरे धीरे we are working on the sleep वाला toilet training as well. But currently, there are 3 situations when she is, wearing diapers. Firstly, when she sleeps, या तो दोपहर को या तो रात को. Secondly, when we are going at a public place and I'm not really sure कि वहाँ पे washroom hygiene कैसा होगा, especially after COVID. I don't want to take any chances. So अगर हम किसी मॉल में जा रहे हैं या हम कहीं डिनर के लिए या लंच के लिए ऐसे कहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं, where I don't want to make her use the public washrooms, वहाँ पे she wears diapers. And thirdly, अगर हम ऐसे किसी सिचुएशन में हैं where I know that I am not going to be available या उसका कोई अपना available नहीं होगा to take her to the washroom, तो she wears diapers. So basically इन situations में अभी भी हम diaper dependent हैं. Now coming to which diapers we are using and why do we like those diapers better than all the others. We are currently using the Baby Hug diapers. This is the packet. And we really like the quality as well as how it lasts throughout the night. मुझे रात को उठ के उसका diaper change कभी भी नहीं करना पड़ता, and she has no diaper rashes. She is never cranky because of the diaper. I really like the diapers by Baby Hug. I usually buy them from firstcry.com. So this has been the website जो हमेशा से मेरी one stop shop रही है for Varya's needs always. जब से वार्या पैदा होने वाली थी तब से लेकर अब तक, that she is 3 years old almost, मुझे कुछ भी परचेज करना होता है, be it toys, be it clothes, be it shoes, be it diapers, I've always taken it from First Cry. I really find it very convenient. The way they are packed, the way they are delivered right at your doorstep. They have the COD facility available. They have online banking, all the options available, and I don't have to step out of the house. Kabhi I realize very late that her diapers are getting over, and I just have 1 or 2 days of diapers left. and I simply order it on first try, and usually diapers get delivered at my place within 2 days. So currently I'm using the Baby Hug diapers, and I ordered them from first try. I find them very economically priced for the quality that they are offering. Baby Hug के सारे products जो भी मैंने अभी तक try किए हैं, I have always been satisfied with them. I've never had any complaints. In fact, I've been happy. So now that I'm using the Baby Hug diapers, these are really something that I would suggest you to check out and try for your young one. The pack that I have in hand is a pack of 56 diapers, and I got it for around 620 rupees from First Try. If you have the club membership, you will find it around 25 rupees more cheaper. So this is the pack. We are using the XL size currently. They have all the options starting from newborn to XL. So it starts from up to 4 kg to 12 to 17 kgs. We are currently using the XL size because Varya is around 15 kgs right now. And before I move on to the quality and the features that these diapers offer that I really like, I was really amazed at how Varya got really excited when I showed her these diapers. You know, they have a really beautiful print. Obviously, diapers के case में quality अच्छी होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. The look of it is still secondary, but still these diapers, they have moon and stars, and you know the print is really pretty. So whenever I tell her कि चलो अब diaper पहनने का time है, she tells me मुझे moons and stars वाला diaper पहनना है. She really likes the print. Obviously, as a parent, I am using it for the quality more than the print. I really like the touch and feel of the diaper. It is clearly mentioned कि front side कौन सी है और back side कौन सी है. And I really like these sides. They are very easy to tear off when you have to get the diaper off your baby, and yet very firm कि ये पहनाते हुए खुद से नहीं फट जाए. So at the first look, the diaper is very sturdy and very soft and comfortable for your baby. They are very light, have a very soft cottony feel, and the best part is that they have a breathable fabric that allows the air to circulate and keeps the baby's skin dry and rash free. Diapers के case में it is very important to ensure that we use those diapers जिनसे आपके babies को ज़्यादा rashes नहीं हो. In fact, rashes हो ही ना. And touch wood, in my experience, Varya को overnight मैंने ये diaper बिना change किए भी पहनाया है, and I have always been satisfied with the results. I have never experienced diaper rashes with Baby Hug diapers. Be it overnight use, be it traveling, be it Varya jumping around in the playground, these diapers have always been comfortable for her. Even though ये pant style diapers हैं with an elastic, but the elastic is very comfortable and it doesn't leave any marks on your baby's body. Even on the sides, I really like how they have provided this elastic. It keeps the piece secure. It doesn't let the bed or the baby's clothes get wet. And they also keep the baby's bum dry because of the kind of absorbency that they have. As I mentioned before, they are available in all the sizes, starting from newborn up to XL. So up to 17 kgs, you can use these diapers for your kids. And Baby Hug has been voted as the best diapers by over 30,000 customers. So you can trust their opinion and mine. I have been using it for quite a while now, and I really wanted to share it with you because I really like the quality, the fit, the absorbency, the look of it, the feel of it. It keeps Varya comfortable. It prevents the diaper rashes. Touch wood, but I have not really had any complaints with these diapers so far. So I would really urge you to go and check them out on firsttry.com and do try it for your little one. As always, I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please do share it with your friends and relatives. If you have any questions about toilet training your baby, please leave them in the comments below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you for watching and happy parenting.